Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about federated learning. As machine learning models are growing day by day, so to perform well, each machine learning model requires large amount of data, right? So with large amount of data, it comes large amount of risks and privacy concern. So to solve this problem, researchers has introduced a technique called federated learning. Okay. So in federated learning, there are some kind of server and client relationship. Okay. So instead of sending data to the server sends the model to the client. The server sends the model to the client, then the model is trained locally on the client's platform, then the updated model is sent back to the server, then the server aggregates all of the client's model and updates the global model. Okay. So this is basically the technique, and this method was first introduced by Google in 2017. So this was the framework proposed by Google. Okay. So the central model contains a global model. Okay. Basically, the central server contains a global model. The global model is then passed to each of the local machines. Like you can think each of this as like local mobiles and mobile users. Okay. So to protect the privacy of each of the users, the global model is sent to each of the mobile devices. Then the global model is trained locally, right? Like in each of the mobiles, the local model is trained. Then the updated local model is passed to the global model. Okay. So in this technique, they use encrypted gradient. So no data is shared and the updated model is protected by encrypted gradient. So this is how they developed this technique to protect users' privacy. Okay. So now there are basically three types of federated learning. Okay. So one is horizontal federated learning, another is vertical federated learning, and another one is federated transfer learning. But these are discussions for some another day. Okay. So to conclude, federated learning was introduced to protect users' privacy. Now, as the data privacy concern is growing day by day, federated learning is expected to play a key role in future machine learning techniques.